Hi, I'm Hilda Sterner, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make hummus, and I'm going to be using my cookbook, Mom's Authentic Assyrian Recipes. For this recipe you will be needing a can of garbanzo beans, drain and reserve some of the liquid, 3 tablespoons of tahini, which is a sesame paste, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and some paprika or cayenne for garnishing. Okay, so the first step is to dump in your garbanzo beans and add the remaining ingredients: tahini paste, garlic, salt, lemon juice, and olive oil. Okay, so now all the ingredients are in. You're going to go ahead and you're going to want to check the consistency, and if necessary you can add a little bit of the liquid. Now that you're done blending it, you want to check the consistency and the taste. Make sure that it's smooth. That's perfect. And there's different ways of plating it. What I like to do is to save some of the garbanzo beans for the center and top it with some olive oil and some chopped parsley. And in this instance we're using some paprika. And that's it. There you have it. Hummus. And if you enjoyed this video, please look for me on YouTube under Mom's Authentic Assyrian Recipes.